everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. My name is Sadaf Bagwan and today we are going to learn a very interesting lesson, that is purely teeth healthy body. Okay? In this lesson we are going to learn about our teeth. Okay? Before we start the lesson, can you tell me how many times do you brush your teeth? Maybe someone brush their teeth one time, maybe someone brush their teeth 2 times. Okay? Now see what is in the lesson. What is the first point? Can you see? Milk teeth. Have you heard this word before? Milk teeth? No? Okay, I will explain you what is the meaning of milk teeth. The teeth that we get when we are babies are called milk teeth. Are you getting? The teeth that we get when we are babies are called milk teeth. They start falling when we are 7 or 8 years old. They start falling when we are in 7 to 8 years old. These are, after that we get new teeth once again. After the milk teeth we got new teeth. These are called our permanent teeth. What is they are called? They are called permanent teeth. When these teeth fall, we don't get any new teeth. Okay? After the permanent teeth, we don't get any new teeth. Okay? Understood? What is the meaning of milk teeth? Move to the next point. What is the next point? Taking care of our teeth. Here is the second point. Take care of our teeth. After eating something, we should wash our mouth. After eating something, we have to wash our mouth. Scrub our teeth inside and outside with a finger. Okay, with your finger, scrub your teeth inside and outside. We should swill plenty of water in our mouth and rinse it well 4 and 5 times. Okay, if we do not do that, particles of food remain in the mouth. If we do not wash our mouth, the particle of the food stuck in our mouth. They stick into our teeth and tongue. They get stuck in between the teeth. The food stuck in the between the teeth. If they remain there, the teeth begins to root. Then we get bad breath. Because of this, we get bad breath. That is, the mouth smell bad. Because of the stuck food, our mouth smell bad. If this happens, the germs are also affected. Because of this, germs are also affected. They may cause blood and pus in our teeth. These false substances go into our stomach, then we can fall ill. Because of the pus, because they move in the stomach, and because of this we fall in any disease. Because of rooting particles in the mouth, our teeth decay slowly. The teeth become loose and in the end they fall. Okay, if we do not wash our teeth daily, because of this our teeth start falling. Okay, falling. We must avoid this. For that, we must brush our teeth in the morning and before going to bed at night. How many times we have to brush our teeth? 2 times, in the morning and before we go to sleep. Okay? We have to brush our teeth 2 times. We must also clean our gums and tongue. Okay? Along with teeth, we have to wash our tongue also. Okay? Neem or babool sticks are sometimes used for cleaning teeth. As you all know, earlier times what they use neem and babool sticks to clean their teeth. Some people buy tooth powder from the market or make it at home. Many people use a toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay? Neem and babool stick are homemade. Tooth powders do not clean well from the gaps between our teeth. Because of this stick, our mouth is not clean very properly. Also, tooth powder can be rough, while the neem or bubble sticks are hard. The neem and bubble sticks are hard. It is affected to our teeth. They can injure our germs. Using a brush and toothpaste, we can clean the gaps between the teeth properly. Because of brush, our teeth become very clean. Besides, the foam and the toothpaste help the particles stuck between the teeth to come loose and get washed away. Because of toothbrush and toothpaste, our teeth will become very clean. Understood? Okay. What is the next point? Next and last point is keeping our body clean. Okay? Keeping our body clean. That is a very important point. Okay? Remember, it is for us to keep our body clean. If we eat with unclean hands, the dirt on the hand goes into our stomach. If we eat with our dirty hands, the germs will enter in our stomach. We can get a stomach upset, so we must not forget to wash our hands before we begin to eat. Do not forget to wash your hand before eat something. Understood? That is a very important to wash your hand before eating something. Just as it is necessary to keep our teeth clean, it is important to keep our hair and nail also clean. Okay? It is important to clean your nails and your hair daily. We must also keep our sensory organ clean. We must bath every day. We have to bath every day. That is compulsory to clean our body. We must wash our hair at least once in a week. We have to wash our hair once in a week. It is must. If we don't keep ourselves clean, we may contract different diseases. Okay? If we do not take care of ourselves, because of this, we contract with many different types of diseases. Understood? Okay. Everyone brushes their teeth in the morning, but the smart people, they brush their teeth before they go to bed every night. Okay? We brush in the morning, it is compulsory, but the smart person will brush their teeth before they are going to sleep at night. Okay? Everyone wash their hand after a meal. As you all know, we wash our hands after a meal, but the smart person, they wash their head without fall before the meal also. Okay? The smart one, do not forget to wash their hand before the meal. Understood? Okay. So what we have learned in this lesson? The teeth we get when we are small are called milk teeth. They start falling at 7 or 8 years. Then we get new teeth once again. These are called permanent teeth. After the milk teeth, we get permanent teeth. If permanent teeth fall, we do not get any new teeth. Okay? If our permanent teeth will fall, we do not get any new teeth. So we must take care of our teeth. Because of this, we must take care of our teeth. We must wash our hands before we eat. Okay? We must keep our hair or nails or sensory organs and entire body clean. Okay? Understood? If you have any problem, any queries, please let me know. Thank you.